Get the 8 of you together here first of all.
Oh no, you don't say that.
Is there a, Richard?
Yeah.
Is there a focus?
It's automatic focus. I tell you, you're gonna be blurred out from the sun going into the sun like that.
Okay. Well, you're gonna get a lot of tape on here.
That's the sun to your back. You best off. Hey Jerry.
Yeah.
Jerry.
Yeah.
Jerry, right up here, you get it. You'll get real good.
Okay.
Just giving everybody else opportunity, weren't you? Okay.
Now you can't leave because Dad has to have
Now, am I blocking anybody?
No.
I usually do.
He just did that like Hannah.
All right, everybody look right here. Say turkey lips.
I don't know about that.
Hot sun.
Right here, say stinky feet.
Stinky feet.
Hey. Just say cheese again.
Get you live every time.
Cheese, huh?
Say monkeys.
Whose camera is the Snappy LX?
Just a few more minutes, you can pick us all nodding. That sun's going to
I don't care. All right, everybody look in the same direction at the same time.
Everybody smile.
Direction is that?
This way. All right.